Ramadan Mubarak, Ramadan Kareem. I'm starting my Ramadan with my homemade seasoning because in Ramadan we do a lot of cooking every single day. Yeah, I have some, I'm making my homemade jar seasoning. I have some basil here. I have some chive here. Spring onion. Some parsley leaf. Green chilli. Coriander. That's another parsley. Green chilli. I have some dill here. I have basil. Some thyme. I have some rosemary. I have some chilli, green chilli as well. I have some chili, some Scotch bonnet pepper. I have some green chilli as well. I have a couple of ginger here. That's my ginger. Garlic, onions. I have sliced leeks here. This one too is like spring onions. Yeah, this I think I always call them the same family anyway. And then I have my tomato. I have my smoked chili here as well. So as you can see, I'm going to be washing everything nice and clean, and then we start the process. Yeah, as you all know, this is my jars that I already steamed. Nicely been steamed now. Everything has been nicely washed now. I chop everything. So that's the other part here. That's my garlic. I peel it, and the ginger. And then I'm going to be adding some extra virgin olive oil. Just put any amount of it enough to help your blender, because I'm not going to add any water. I'm going to start blending everything now, and then as I'm blending it, I'll be adding the remaining one into it, and then I'll add some salt. Now it's nicely been blended. See that? It's always salt that I added it. You need to add some salt, but when you are using it, you don't need to add salt on your food because this one already have salt, so you have to be careful of the salt as well. So basically this one is done, so I'm going to be pouring it into the jar. I do not add any water, just the extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Now I'm going to be blending my ginger. I put some olive oil and some salt. That's my ginger paste. I added some oil as well and salt. So now I'm going to be blending the garlic. So I'm going to be blending the garlic a bit by bit, and I'll be adding. That's my garlic paste. You see how thick it is? This is the garlic paste. I just added salt and then oil to help my blender to blend it. Guys, when I was peeling this garlic, I was stressed, you know. Garlic take lot of time to peel. The garlic was stressing me out. This will take me a long time. See, I still have more garlic. Look at that. I still have some garlic remaining. If you want, you can put some oil on top of it, but because I already blended with a lot of oil, so I don't think I need any oil. That's my homemade seasoning is now ready. That's my garlic. I have some of the remaining of the garlic. That's the onions, the green onions, that's the one here. All the green stuff, that's the one here. And then I have some remaining. I washed my mustard bottle and then I put it in there. And then that's the ginger as well. Yeah, basically that's all. And then if you want to put them in your sandwich bag as well, you can do so as well. If you want to freeze it, put them in your freezer bag, or you can use any freezer bag of your choice. Yeah, that's my seasoning. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. If you come across this video, please don't forget to share it to friends and family. You guys will stay blessed. Ramadan Mubarak. So this is how I do my Ramadan seasoning. Thank you everyone.